Now that I have your attention, here's your Day 3 status report.
We started our training with Lynn, exploring new ways to design shortcuts for apps.
You're well on your way to an amazing app shortcuts experience.
Then we discovered how to make desktop-class iPad apps with Mohammed.
This allows apps to express the layout that's most appropriate to their content, while bringing more functionality to the forefront of the UI.
Then found out how to take advantage of the latest iOS camera capture features.
This app has one more trick up its sleeve. I can tap around and point the spotlight at different objects in the scene.
We also showed off powerful tools to create cool new layouts and views for apps with SwiftUI.
SwiftUI provides a rich set of building blocks that you use to compose your app's interface.
Tomorrow's reports look something like this.
Go get them, Tiger.
That's all for now. Await further instructions.